how to save thousands on your car, house, and bills. Are you tired of feeling like you're throwing money away every single month on your car, your house, and those never-ending bills? Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. What could you accomplish with thousands of dollars in savings? Well, you're about to learn the strategies that millionaires use to keep more of their hard-earned money, and it's easier than you think. How to save thousands on your car, house, and bills. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop overpaying on the biggest expenses in your life and start building wealth. And it starts right now. The reality check, recognizing the waste point 1, reevaluate your car expenses. Let's kick things off with something you're probably paying too much for, your car. Now, we all love a nice ride, right? But what if I told you your dream car could be draining your bank account in ways you never even realized? Millionaires know that keeping a car affordable is one of the easiest ways to save thousands. Here's the truth. Cars depreciate fast. The moment you drive off that dealership lot, your brand new car drops in value. Fast, like really fast. And that $700 a month car payment, that's money that could be invested elsewhere. Show a person with a giant, flashy sports car, then cut to them looking at their bank account and feeling stressed. But don't worry, I'm not saying you need to sell your dream car, unless you want to. But consider this. Could you drive a reliable used car for a fraction of the cost? Or perhaps refinance your car loan for better rates? What would that save you every month? You'd be amazed at how much extra cash you could free up just by rethinking your car expenses. Point 2, downsize or optimize your housing costs. Next up, your house. It's the biggest expense for most people. But what if I told you that most people are overpaying for their homes without even realizing it? Whether you're renting or owning, there's always room for savings, and millionaires know this. If you're renting, take a close look at your lease. Are you paying for amenities or extra space that you don't actually need? What if you found a smaller place that's just as comfortable but half the cost? Show a luxury apartment building, then cut to a modest, comfortable home. Show the contrast in bills. On the flip side, if you're a homeowner, refinancing your mortgage or negotiating with your bank can save you thousands over the life of your loan. Have you looked into that lately? You could lower your monthly payments and still keep your dream home. Don't leave money on the table. Taking action, practical steps to cut costs. Point 3, negotiate your bills. Here's something most people overlook. Negotiating your bills. Whether it's your cable bill, your phone plan, or your insurance premiums, there's always wiggle room. You just have to ask. It's that simple. Companies want to keep you as a customer, so they'll often lower your rates if you just ask. Take a moment to call up your cell phone provider or insurance company and ask about better deals. How much could you save by just asking for a discount or threatening to switch providers? Person holding a phone up to their ear with a sarcastic face. You don't want me to leave, right? You might be shocked at how much you can save just by negotiating. Seriously, people have saved hundreds of dollars a year with one phone call. Point 4, cutting down on subscriptions. Every dollar counts, and when you add up all those small savings, it adds up to huge amounts. Quick flash of someone cutting up a credit card, followed by them happily unsubscribing from services. And if you're like me, the auto renewal feature is not your friend. It's like the sneaky little villain of your finances. Go through your bank statement today, and you might be surprised at how many subscriptions you're actually paying for without using them. Mindset shifts, how millionaires think about saving. Point 5, mindset shift, think like a wealth builder. Now here's the mindset shift that will change everything. Millionaires don't just save money, they invest it. Saving is important, but investing is what turns your money into more money. When you save, you're securing your future. When you invest, you're building your wealth. The key to long-term financial freedom is not in just cutting costs, it's in using the money you save to build more wealth. Whether it's through stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, millionaires are constantly looking for opportunities to grow their wealth, not just hold on to it. Person looking at a small savings account and switching to an investment portfolio growing over time. But here's the cliffhanger. Saving money is only half the equation. The real magic happens when you put your savings to work. Want to know how millionaires turn their savings into generational wealth? You'll have to stick around for my next video to find out. Call to action. Now that you know how to save thousands on your car, house, and bills, it's time to put it all into action. Cut unnecessary expenses, negotiate your bills, and make sure you're thinking about the long-term impact of your savings. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth-building tips. Comment below, what's the biggest monthly expense you're going to tackle first? Let's talk about it, because taking action is the first step toward financial freedom. Save more, live wealthier.